Once you have your T-bone steak, season both sides with salt and pepper. Once your T-bone steak is seasoned on both sides, add cooking oil into a pan. Once the oil is smoky hot, add the steak, laying it down gently to avoid the oil jumping back at you. Let your steak pre-cook in the pan for 3 minutes on both sides. Once my steak is pre-cooked in a pan, I'm going to put it aside in an oven tray. Then I'm going to peel garlic. I'm going to add this garlic into the oven tray where I placed my pre-cooked T-bone steak. Then I'll add the rosemary. This is to add an extra taste to the steak. And lastly, I'm going to add butter. Lots of butter, because I like the taste of butter in my steak, not the steak. Let's say in general, I love this taste of butter in almost everything that I grill. I'll place it in an oven to finish cooking for 8 minutes at 450 degrees. And oh yes, my T-bone steak is ready. So I'm going to leave it aside to rest for at least 10 minutes to allow the juice to come back into the steak. Before you decide to do something on your own, there's always that person who did it not the way you want it to be done. So mine was bad. I went to a restaurant and the T-bone wasn't made the way I wanted it to be. So I said to myself, why spend so much money? If I want T-bone, let me make it myself. That's why I decided to share my recipe with you for those who had bad encounter like me. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up to my channel, and share this video if you like it. Thank you for watching.